Guys, whenever you buy a new phone, you will see the phone is performing absolutely well and fast without any lag or any performance issue. But again, it depends on the kind of phone you are using, the brand, or let's say the RAM or the ROM that is there inside the phone, which also includes the OS which is there inside the phone. Being said that, I think mostly the issue that you normally face in an entry-level phone and a mid-range phone is that it tends to slow up as it grows old. Let's say 6 to 7 months of usage. Once you buy this new you get a new phone, it tends to slow up 6 to 8 months down the line. Now, why does it happen so? What is the reason for this happening and how can we solve this issue? So in today's video, we're going to talk about how we can make your old phone as good as a new phone in terms of performance, in terms of usage, and in terms of getting a nice experience as good as new, in fact. So let's start the video, guys. And if you are new to the channel, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, which is Lifestyle Tech. Do hit the like button and the bell icon for more such notifications from my channel. So let's start. So guys, how we will go about this video is that we will talk about few of the pointers which will help you to guide, or which will help you to understand the best practices which will help you to keep your phone performance up to the mark. So guys, the point number one, what you're going to talk about here is the storage. And I think one of the major issue why your phone tends to slow up, because normally when you buy a phone, it comes with a 32, 64 or 128 GB of storage. Now what happens is that as you start using it after a month or so, or let's say after 6 to 7 months down the line, you tend to reach the limit wherein your storage gets exhausted. Now when you reach to a certain point where your storage is going to get full or filled in that case, so the phone tends to slow down because it is unable to perform the way it is supposed to. So what you can do is that the solution is simple. You can go and delete, you can go to the settings and delete the unnecessary documents, videos, or any kind of photos that you wanted to delete it. You can go ahead and delete it, which will help you to clean up the storage and can make your phone faster. Guys, another second point is about the apps and the bloatwares. Now normally if you see, an average person downloads or installs around 30 to 40 apps in their mobile. Now these all apps we normally do not use on our daily basis. We normally tend to use around 10 to 15 apps which are important to us and which we use it on a daily basis. Now what happened is that it tends to slow down your phone. Most of the apps, what it does is that it gives you pop-up and notification and advertisements on your mobile phone, so which tends to slow down because it takes your RAM space and the storage capacity also. So what you can do is that you can delete all those unnecessary apps which you are not using, or you feel that which will not be useful for you for the coming month. You can delete it, you can free up the space, and the RAM management will also work better. Now point number 3. Now this point is about WhatsApp. Now normally guys, what happens is that you get a lot of forwarded videos and photographs which are not useful to you. Probably you watch it for once and then you leave it in that way. So you can go to your WhatsApp settings in the storage, or how to manage your storage in your WhatsApp. You can go to that settings and then you can delete all those unnecessary videos or files or photos which are not useful for you. You can delete those and then you can free up the space for much better usage and performance of your phone. So guys, now being said that, cleaning up your space, deleting all the photos, the videos, the files that you have, there is always a good practice, because in the starting of the video I also told you that I will give you some good practices. Now one of the good practices is that you can back up all your important or major files, videos, or any kind of documents which is there on your phone. You can back it up on a cloud services like Google Drive, or there are various other softwares or services which are available wherein you can back up all your documents and all your files and folders, that also without any cost. So that is one way of managing or maintaining a healthy practice of cleaning up your phone. Guys, coming to point number 4, which is timely closing up your app and freeing the RAM. Now what happens is that we tend to open up a lot of apps but we never close it, and all these apps keeps on running up in the background. So what happens is that your phone tends to take more resources, more RAM, and makes your phone slow. So what you can do is that you can clearly go and close all the opened apps which are running and which you have not been using, because once you clear that up, your RAM management becomes good, the resources used in your phone works faster. So in that way also you can speed up your phone. Guys, the fifth point is about the cleaning apps. Now if you go to the Play Store, guys, you will find a hell lot of cleaning apps which are available. I would ask or suggest everyone to avoid all those apps, because normally you tend to see that all those apps which you install, normally it doesn't clean up. Earlier it used to clean up few of the it used to work properly, but now I think it gives you more adverts. Now what happens is that this kind of cleaning apps unnecessarily takes a lot of space. It will throw up pop-up notifications, it will throw up advertisements, which is not good for your phone and it's harmful. So I would suggest not to use any kind of unnecessary cleaning app, because in the Android only you have something called as storage management, and also you can clean the cache which is there in your mobile phone. Once the cache is cleaned, I think your phone will work much better than using this unnecessary cleaning apps. So this was the fifth point. So guys, coming to the sixth point. Now sixth point is about using, or one of the best practice that you can follow is managing the applications. Now if you see Facebook or YouTube or Instagram, or in fact in that way Twitter also, all these apps has a lighter version. Now normally you can see that in a Facebook, when you use, the file size or the application size is pretty much heavy, and it tends to use a lot of your RAM management and storage and your processor also. So in this case, what you can do, if you feel that your phone is working not that fast, you can use the light version of all these apps. Like you have got Facebook Lite, you have got YouTube Lite also, when you can download and install. The file size are also less, and it tends to use less space in your mobile phone, and that is the way you can speed up your phone performance. So the sixth point is about the launchers and the live wallpapers. So normally what happens is that people who are a little bit of tech freak, they to make their phone much more visible, or to make it much more presentable, we normally use, or the tech guys normally what they do is that they will install certain launchers. Now these launchers, what they do is that these launchers are very heavy, and now they tend to slow down your phone a lot. So I would request that if you can avoid certain launchers, you should avoid it, because normally in an Android device, the launcher which comes along with the phone works perfectly fine. But if you tend to use a third-party launcher above the launcher which comes on your OS, in that case it tends to slow down your phone. Also live wallpaper, we may not understand that live wallpaper also takes a lot of RAM, and the reason why your phone slows up, especially when you unlock and lock your phone, you will see a lag. Why? Because there's a live wallpaper which is running in behind. So you can also follow this good practice. Guys, last and final, you have followed all these 7 steps and still you feel that your phone is not working as it should be. Your phone is as old as, because it is not performing well, or as per performance issues are coming up with your phone. You can see lags and all. The final Ramban Ilaj, what we say is that you can hard reset your phone to factory formatting, and you can delete all the unnecessary files, folders. But before that, take a backup all your important documents, files and folders, and do this hard reset. I am damn sure once you do this, your phone will be as good as new. Also guys, one more good practice is that you should always format your phone every 7 to 8 months, which makes your phone perform well. So guys, I hope all these tips or tricks which I have told you in today's video would be helpful for you. If you are feeling that your phone is lagging down or your phone is not performing well, you can perform all these 7 steps, and you can let me know in the comment box below whether it has worked out or not. And with this, we'll close today's video. I hope you guys have liked it. Do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel, which is Lifestyle Tech. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.